December 1st, 2023 is the last day of the trading section. Yesterday, due to the expiry day of Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's been so volatile and so flat. But yesterday Dow Jones shot up, but Nasdaq was fallen. That's why if you observe today, IT index was not performed. I will show you. Wait. See, IT. Where is IT, man? 1 second, guys. CNXT. Okay, if you observe, see IT index has fallen here and flat. It was flat, but it has fallen at the day, total day. At the ending, it has recovered somewhat, but it is flat. But most fallen came from the IT index because yesterday Nasdaq 100 was fallen, but Dow Jones was shorted up due to the positive thing. And another positive thing which has happened today was the GDP came expected, more than expected, better than estimates. They expected our Indian GDP to 6.8%, but it came up to 7.6%. It's more than better than estimates. So it has a Dow Jones gap up due to our India's positive point, and the Dow Jones shot up. And another thing is exit polls are positive for the markets. That's why Nifty also shot up. According to these three factors, today the market was shot up and somewhat consolidated for 15-20 minutes, again shot up. It had hit all-time high. 20,222 is the all-time high of Nifty. It has crossed it and totally consolidated after hitting all-time high. If you observe this, today is a beautiful price action from the yesterday. See, I have done some pattern here. If you observe, I have done some pattern here. After drawing this pattern, it has respected up to this. After that, it has consolidated. If I would take this trade, I would gain huge. But I have not taken the trade because it was ultimately opened gap up and consolidated. And if you see, India VIX has also fallen up to 3%. See, I want to say less. When is India VIX is high, you can tell India VIX is like a fear index. Therefore, the VIX has fallen 3% means exit poll results were positive for the markets. This move is perfect. This move is correct according to that. It is not short covering, and the FIIs also buying from last 3 sessions. That was so good. They have realized the power of Indian markets as well. They're short in position from the months. From the last 3 to 4, they're buying, and it went all-time high. That is the power of Indian markets. Let's talk about the Bank Nifty. Actually, yesterday you can see the Bank Nifty has fallen and closed flat. But after from the beginning 1 minute, it has shorted up like anything. If you see this, it has shorted up to 400 points. Straight without no red candles, it has shorted up to 400 points. It happens rarely. If someone has taken in that particular position, they would have gained huge. For example, 100 rupees option can went up to 300 also, 350 also, because continuous red candles, continuous green candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 green candles continuously in the Bank Nifty. That's huge. I can say that was the biggest huge. So if you see that much biggest movement, after that we can't expect more bigger move today. And it was consolidated the total day. We need to have that. For example, if we ran for 10 kilometers, After that we will sit for some time. The same way the market has done the same thing here, but it has went up to 393 points within 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes. Within 40 minutes it went up to 400 points. So crazy. The bank nifty has also done a tremendous job, but the nifty hit all-time high. But I'm talking now. We'll show you what happened to where is bank nifty all-time high. See, the bank nifty all-time high is 46,369. So now the present is 44,814. Approximately 1,500 points are there. But Nifty is gaining the momentum, so we need to check the IT index as well. But because I have told you earlier, IT plays major part in the Nifty. So Nifty's all-time high means Nifty IT can also boom. Because today it is fallen means because of the global cues, and you can think like this: if it has fallen, the persons who have fallen, but they have taken the opportunity to buy, and it was closed flat with positive bias. That's why you can analyze how positive Nifty IT is. So I want to say bank nifty and bank nifty is good. So I think this week is good for the Indian stock market because of it had hit all-time high, and the exit polls are also came favor to the markets. But I have told you earlier yesterday, but not to carry the trade, because Sunday the result is there. So the Monday will be gap up, a gap down, or flat as well. But more, I think it can be gap up or gap down. Let's see what happens. The exit poll results are Madhya Pradesh is taking BJP, Mizoram is one independent party, MNF somewhat. Telangana is showcasing Congress, Rajasthan is mixed BJP and Congress. Let's see what happens. But is Madhya Pradesh is important because it has the most population. So it is telling usually BJP can take the rule. So let's see what happens. But I feel the markets are so good. After the Monday, if it gap up and it sustain, no one can stop the Indian stock market right now, because from the 2 years it has not gone any way. If you see the charts, I will tell you in the weekly analysis tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will tell you that. That's it. Let's see how US markets will close today, because yesterday Dow Jones was positive, Nasdaq was negative. Let's see what happens today. Anyways guys, thanks, cheers. It's a weekend, so enjoy, chill.